there, this is Holly from Email Octopus, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up a welcome email. From your welcome screen, you'll need to click on Campaigns at the top of the page where you'll have the option to create a new campaign. We want to set up a welcome email to be sent to new subscribers automatically, so we're going to create a new automated campaign. The first step is to give your email a title. In this case, welcome email. You might want to test out a few welcome emails in the future or update your welcome message with news, so perhaps add a little bit more info in the campaign title so you remember what's what. Something like standard greeting will work for now. Next, we're going to choose the workflow that this email will belong to. As we're setting it up from scratch, we'll create a new one now. If this first welcome email is going to be part of a sequence, a lead nurturing campaign, or an onboarding process, it's a good idea to use that as the name of your workflow. For now, I'm going to name this workflow My Welcome Sequence. Next, we're going to choose which list will receive this email. If you've got multiple lists, you can create different welcome emails for each list. This means you can tailor your message for groups of subscribers based on which list they are in. As this is just a demo, I'm going to choose the one list I have available to me. You have the option for imported contacts to receive this email, but as we want this email to be sent to new subscribers who sign up for our mailing list, we're going to leave this option as no for the time being. The next step is to give your welcome email a subject line. You can use emojis and merge tags, so if you're asking for names at time of sign up, it's a good idea to include the subscriber's name in the subject line. This little touch of personalization has been proven to boost open rates. So for our test run, we're going to give our welcome email the subject line, Welcome to the Club, insert their first name, and add a little waving hand too. Preview text is just as important as your subject line. It's additional text that subscribers will see in their inbox, and it gives you a chance to tell them more about what's inside your email, or expand on your subject line. I'm going to use "We're so glad to have you here" to show our appreciation. Next, we're going to choose who this email is coming from. It's best to either use your name or a name of someone representing your company, or you can use your brand name, and then choose which email it will be sent from. The last step on this page is to choose when this email will be sent. You have the choice of immediately, hours, or days after a contact subscribes to your list. We want new subscribers to instantly receive a welcome message when they sign up, so we're going to choose immediately. If you're building a welcome sequence of emails, you can later add more emails to this automated workflow and set them to be delivered a few days after a subscriber signs up. That way you know they received the first message and are ready to receive more. Once that's all set, click Save and Next. Now you'll need to create your welcome email. You can either choose a pre-existing email from our library of templates and customize this to suit your brand, or you can choose one of your own email templates. For the purpose of this demo, I've previously created a welcome email template to use, so it's ready to be selected, and I'm going to choose this now. For my welcome message, I've kept it short and sweet with a greeting, a little explanation of the benefits of signing up, and a call to action of join us on social to try and get a few more followers. Now, of course, your welcome email will be tailored to your business, but this gives you an idea of what to include. You might want to repeat the subscriber's name inside the email and insert a merge tag, or you might want to include more links inside call to action buttons, which you can do like this. The options are limitless and easy to execute with our drag and drop editor, so have a think about how you want your email to look and what you want to include in it. It's a good idea to preview your email on desktop and mobile before sending, and send a test version to yourself so you can check what it looks like in the inbox before setting live. Once you're happy with the email and it's ready to go, we're going to click Save and Next. Here you have one final opportunity to check all the details and make sure you've got it set up correctly. You can check when it's going to be delivered, who it will be delivered to, where it's being sent from, and check the subject line and content before hitting that Enable button. Once enabled, every new subscriber that signs up to that list will receive this welcome email. And as more subscribers sign up, data will start to populate your reports, so you can see how many of these emails have been sent, how many opened, and how many clicked. You'll also have data on how many people unsubscribe and bounce. You can pause this email at any time, or save as a template in case you want to set up similar emails for other contact lists. And if you want to create a series of emails in your email workflow, you can simply add an email and work through the same process again. And there you have it, how to set up a welcome email in Email Octopus. Thanks for watching.